Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to build an Audi R8 LEGO. First, ensure you have the complete set and all pieces are accounted for. It's helpful to sort your bricks by color and type before you start. Begin by carefully assembling the foundational chassis, which forms the sturdy base of your model. This initial step is crucial for the structural integrity of the entire build, so take your time and follow the instructions precisely. Next, focus on the heart of your Audi R8, the engine. Carefully build the intricate engine block and securely attach it to the chassis. Following this, move to the interior. Assemble the cabin, adding details like the driver and passenger seats and the dashboard. Pay close attention to the small details here as they bring the model to life. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is firmly in place. Now it's time to give your LEGO Audi R8 its distinctive look. Begin attaching the exterior body panels, carefully shaping the car's sleek lines. This is where the model truly starts to resemble the real vehicle. Next, assemble the four wheels and securely mount them, making sure they can rotate freely. Finally, add the finishing touches like the headlights, taillights, and any other small exterior details that complete the authentic design. For the final steps, take a moment to review your entire Audi R8 model. Check for any missing pieces or connections that might be loose. Then, carefully apply any remaining stickers or decals to add those last authentic details, following the instructions for precise placement. Once complete, find a perfect spot to display your impressive LEGO creation. And for more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.